To solve a quadratic equation in standard form, use the quadratic formula. First, identify the values for a, b, and c, as you can see in the formula. A is the coefficient of the squared term, b is the coefficient of the linear term, and c is the constant term. So for this equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. Plug in these values into the formula. So for b, we get 1, for b, 1, for a, 2, for c, 1, and for a, 2. Simplifying, we get negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1, and then negative 4 times 2 times 1 is negative 8, so we get 1 minus 8 under the square root sign, and 4 in the denominator. Simplifying further, we get negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 over 4. The square root of a negative number results in a complex number, and from that we can find the roots. So we get negative 1 plus the square root of 7i, where I is the square root of negative 1 divided by 4. And the other root is negative 1 minus the square root of 7i over 4. So for this quadratic equation, the roots are complex numbers written in this form.